turn your speakers up, cause Reese is gonna heat it up. You thinking that you stealthy, but my man, I got a sleeker cut. I said turn your speakers up for you and your friends. I don't care if you got a hoopty or you cruising the Benz. And I'm making music for who? On you it depends. If you really feeling my style and how I'm using a pen. All the rappers holding one, don't ever use it again. You be the illest out your crew, y'all boo-boo in the end. My pen, spew at the end, Husky producing these gems. We only strive to make it live, put a new view in your lens. People rating me a 10, you get a 2 from your friends. You call me a Kahlua brewer, use a fruity blend. We got dudes pursuing them gems, that's the stupidest trend. Rather cop my own house with house shoes in the den. And to the dudes who diss Woody, here's a nerd with revenge. You just mad, motherfucker, you the dude who's exempt. Now I know you hearing the beat, making you lean with a rock. But if you ignore what I say, then the demeanor is shot. Freedom to rock, freedom of speech, freedom I got. And these rappers thinking they hit, but don't believe in the hype. Believe in the hype, fuck it, I believe in the mic. My lyrics is flesh and my breath is how I breathe in the light. This is intelligent design, the way I'm being precise. Choose my words the same way like I was speaking to Christ, and that's careful. And I know you getting an earful. If I ain't speaking my mind, then what the fuck is we here for? Tell me. Nah, never mind, scratch it, don't wanna know. If ignorance is bliss, then in the abyss Geronimo. And also I'm inclined to know if I can plead insanity. Sometimes I'd rather cut myself from the string of humanity. Man, it'd be such a travesty in the portrait of life. We all we got left, let's make a course for the right, right? I got it wrapped like a wedding ring, what else can I say? I'm doing my music, but nah, it ain't for radio play, take it away. Vegas Nathan erasing the day, but keep the jazz station playing, no rotation to waste. And it's a disgrace to hear the current listeners taste. If music is timeless, how the hell we get to this place? We got robotic voices with executive choices. I guess the talent ain't as important as Bitcoin is. Times I feel voiceless, but then I remember the words that me and Ben said when it was end of December. Was the deal, shook hands and some moves we make. I got slept on, my nuts came through with the beat tape and then it was on. Thought so, but then I was wrong. It was the beginning of getting my dismemberment on. So light up a bomb and the road you descended upon. It don't matter, life stops like the end of the song, so rock on.